Hello everyone, for today's video, I'm going to harvest my garden, fresh vegetable. So, very first mga pala, after 2 days, I always harvested this. So, I harvest this I just cook this for lunch, our lunch. So, I very happy that every time if I want vegetable or mix fish soup or meat, I go to the backyard and pick up all the fresh vegetables that I planted. So, it's nice to have own plants. We can afford to buy plants, but right now here is very expensive in US. Everything here expensive. So I have plants at my backyard. So I have plants, everything, cucumber, okra, string beans, corn. I harvested corn also, and also spinach or Malabar spinach, sweet potato leaves, lemongrass, basil, chili, spicy chili, bell pepper, and also hanabaru, and coyote or sayote, and also saluyot. So everything in my backyard is mini vegetables, and also tomatoes. As you can see, my tomatoes is very big. So I have plants, and my eggplants, marunga also. I have a short string bean, American beans, and also Asian beans, the long beans, string beans, and that's basil also. And water spinach like called kangkong. So it's very, I love to plants, as you can see. That's potato, lemongrass, marunga, that's a coyote or sayote. So I let them to climb the stairs going to my rope. So that's water spinach or kangkong, marunga, and I have lemon or limoncito. And also I have radish also. Yeah, there is radish and also tomato, a lot of tomatoes, and I have okra there, and this is sweet potato leaves. So it's very nice. I'm happy to see all my hard work is paid off. So it's helped a lot for my lab works. Every time I check my lab works, all of my labs or result is normal. So thank you, subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I upload my video, you're always updated. Thank you, and God bless all of you. So as you can see, it's really healthy and very fresh. It's nice to have your own garden at your backyard because you can get whatever you want and anytime you cook, as you can see mga palangga. So I cook tuna fish and I fried with a chicken oil. And this is all okra that was harvested from my garden. It's very fresh, and also string beans. And I boiled water and I put chicken cube or beef cube and salt. So that's my ingredient I put there. So you don't need to put everything or seasoning I just half cook or boiled. So the string beans. So I boiled it at least 4 minutes. So now our fish tuna, it's ready. So we have to put aside. And also our okra and string beans is ready also. So you have to try. It's very healthy and very yummy. And I add also the blueberries, strawberry, and also cherry tomato. As you can see, and I add patis or fish sauce there with vinegar to dip in it. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Share this video if you like it. Thank you. Now, we start eating. This is my granddaughter. She loves to eat whatever I cook. She eats, especially vegetable. She loves vegetable. So that is the patis or soy sauce or bagoong. So as you can see, she loves to eat okra. All vegetable, green vegetable. That's why I always plant at my backyard. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave and comment and likes. Thank you, and God bless. Don't skip the ads.